Like right here, you shoot him. You can see like in America.
This is why we need more GoPros. So I want to start doing this shit with the Raptor. I come out here with a bunch of four-wheelers, you know? We do the same shit. Like, he's straight sideways with it. Oh, I bet. He comes whipping.
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Oh fuck! Holy fuck! Get away from it?